Dora, I've been calling. Why are you not answering my calls?
Oh, sorry. I'm just talking. Okay.
But at least when you were leaving, you should have told me that you are going somewhere. So
What did you?
what's going on? Actually, you should have told me that you are going somewhere in the morning. I've been calling you. You're not answering my calls.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Oh,
I just say.
I don't like that.
I just say. Maybe I try to say.
What's he saying?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
How are you?
I said I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Is he okay?
I'm okay.
Good. Okay.
Oh.
Who is he?
My boyfriend.
Come again. You said what?
I said my boyfriend.
This is your boyfriend.
Yeah.
How can someone like this take care of you?
What is it?
We don't hear it.
Let's walk on what
Hey, why would you let this man use you like this? What can he do to you?
I'm doing.
Sorry, what can he do for you?
I'm doing. Everything from.
Yeah, let's go.
Inside and outside. Man.
Yeah, let's go. Don't touch me.
Hey, one penny phone.
So
let's go.
free.
Dora, I said
coming,
let's go.
sis. I'm coming, okay?
You can't keep me waiting like this.
And then waiting.
Hey, what's the drink?
So,
Dora, are you ignoring me?
No, dear.
Ignore.
Okay.
We are the target.
Dora!
Oh!
Are you shouting on me?
I said patient. Okay.
15
What's going on here? Dora, let's go.
Oh!
Don't touch me!
Don't touch me too! Go.
Why would you use your filthy hand to touch me?
Filthy there, come on. Filthy!
Why would you use your filthy hand to touch me?
Vanessa,
Don't ever touch me again.
Filthy, no, no.
I will sound you if you touch me again.
Where the Matthias, pa? The whole CSA. Oh, Babo Massum.
Try me.
Try me too.
Dora, it's okay. Let's go. You talk.
Go!
What's here? What's here?
Hold on me. Oh no, me. If an enlivening me, it's an enlightening. If not an enlivening, it's an going.
Wait. So, are you going to follow his little words?
Enter the net.
Don't worry. You just go home out.
You left me stranded in there, and you are telling me to leave because of this stupid ass man. Look at what he's wearing.
My bonnet pair with it.
Mono, why you?
Why me?
You do a temper.
Dora, let's go.
What did you have today?
Dora, I said let's go.
Oh.
Okay, baby. Now tell the mama call. What the heck? Now mama call and yes, I did banish.
Why is he drunk?
What the yes, she me future.
Or does he smoke?
Yeah, for them.
Dora.
I never discount. Now tell and one I make you feel. I think. But you're quite a bit.
Let's go. Bye-bye. You have to be talking to someone like this.
Someone like this.
But someone